Hey guys, welcome back to Erwin's Art Adventure. Today we're going to learn how to draw a birthday cake. So let's get started. I'm actually going to start off with the top of my cake, and it's going to be like a long skinny oval, and it's going to look like this. I'm not going to connect my oval because I'm going to leave some room to add some birthday candles. So I'm going to draw the side of my cake like so. And I'm going to connect these two lines with another curved line that's going to kind of match this line on my cake here. Like so. So I kind of want my cake to be a two-tier, right? So in order to make mine two-tier, I'm going to actually add a larger curved line like this underneath, so it can hold up the top level. And I'm going to add some straight lines like this. All right, so I'm actually going to draw the bottom of my cake now, and it's going to match this line of my cake. So we're going to do a big curved line like that. So now I've got two levels of cake. So I'm going to actually add some frosting to my cake, and it's going to look like it's dripping because I do like frosting. So I'm just going to add some curves like this. Just a couple wavy lines. And now I'm going to actually add more frosting at the bottom layer. So I'm going to do this. Again, I'm just going to add some drops. I randomly place them there, and it's okay if you do the same. It doesn't have to look like mine. And feel free to pause the video at any point just to catch up. And it's okay if it's not perfect. So more frosting. Like this. So now that I have the base of my cake, actually I'm going to draw a couple drops of frosting down here. You can tell that I have a sweet tooth. I enjoy frosting. So what I'm going to do, let's say your friend is turning, let's say 5. We're going to do 5 candles. 1. So I'm just kind of doing rectangles with these rounded shapes at the top and bottom. 2. 3. 4. 5. Now at the top of your candles, you're going to want a little skinny line like this, and this is going to be the wick of your candle. And for the flame, we're going to do like a teardrop. So the best thing about this is if your friend is turning 6, 7, 8, 9, you can add as many candles as you want, or I guess as many candles that you can fit on the top. And I'm going to actually connect these lines right here in between the candles to show that my cake is going behind these candles. So it kind of gives the illusion that the cake or the candles are inside the cake. I'm actually going to give my cake a face. So I'm going to do 2 little circles on the inside, on the top layer of the cake. And I'm going to give it a little smile. So at the inside of my circles here, I'm going to draw a little circle. And that's where the whites are going to be, like a reflection. And I'm going to fill this part in. Now let's draw a couple arms. So for your cake, like it's giving your friend a hug. So we're going to do a couple lines like this, and we're going to draw a hand that comes out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's going to be my cake. I'm going to actually color it in with marker on top of marker paper, but feel free to use whatever you have around the house that you like to color with. So I'm going to speed this part up. Feel free to pause it to catch up, or just continue watching and I'll be right back. And there's my birthday cake. I actually made it pink. You can make it any color you want. I'm just a big fan of strawberry myself. You could even write a little message like happy birthday. So let's do that real quick. We'll go HAPPY, and we'll add an exclamation point to show how excited you are. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys draw this birthday cake on one of your friends' cards for the birthday party you're going to this weekend. And I just want to say that I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching my videos. And thank you guys for liking and subscribing. So I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.
If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.